Look, someone has a hat. Someone has long ears. And Mixie has hair.
I'm gonna put my shells on me.
Yeah, quick. You better put them on. And then let's put this again.
Right, this goes like this. Okay, and then wait, no. Fix this part. My stylist, he's fit to set me up, see? Because I am the Appalachian Mommy Prophet. I am the mother for a new millennium. My name is Shamama. It rhymes with Obama and the Dalai Lama. Now there's a new Holy Trinity. Have the Father and the Son been worshipped and glorified enough already? What's going on in the garden? What's going on with my hair? Well, let me tell you what. He's a very fussy stylist. And so what we're going to do is sing a little song. Come in. L'chaim with a clam, shalom with psychotic, mazel tov with manic. Oi, oi, oi. L'chaim with a clam, shalom with psychotic, mazel tov with manic. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, get out of here. I gotta read some dirty poetry. Go on, kid. Go tell your mother she's calling you. Say bye. Bye. Go. Do you have trouble disciplining your male children?